Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle at Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on June the 14th, 2024, we have here already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one. Yes, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number. This will be number 8720. And before I start, I always count the print the digits. 24 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. All right. We have here 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 5, 3 5s, 4 5s. Well. 1, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the ones, the twos, and the fives are a majority. Can I start with 1? Yes, 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Need a 1 here. Cannot continue with the 1. How about the 2 now? 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So the column 3. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. 2 2 2 2. Need a 2 here again. That means in this, we already have a 2 here. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 2. How about the 5s? 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 5. Okay. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about 2 2? How about the 1 then? 1. Need a 1 here. And I need a 1 there. Well. 8 8. 9 9. 9 there. Yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. 9 in the middle row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. And then 9. 3 3. 4, 4. Well, 6, 6, 6. Six, 6. 9, 9. I'm thinking. Need a 7 here. No 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place 11 and 4. Hey, shoot me there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Seven, need 7 there. I need a 5 there. Need a 3 here. 2 3s. 8. 8, 8, 8. 9. 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 there. Come on. 6, no, 7 and the 7 and the 9. No, 7 and the 3. Need a 2 there. Need a 2. Yeah. 2 there. 2 here. 1 here. Come on. Need 6 here. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there in the second row. Here or there we see another 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. Well, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 6. Yeah.
Meer nieuws van Simone in het late NOS-journaal met sport trouwens om 11:10 op NPO 1.
I'm thinking. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 7 should be there. So we need a 7 here, need a 7 there. So we have a pair then, 7 and a 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this big square, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 3. 3, need a 3 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes, 3 in the second column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoot me there. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 8. And I need a 2. 2, yeah, the 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 2 here. Need a 3. Yeah, 8 and 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the second column for them all. 1, the 2, 3, the 3, 4 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 will be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second column. From the first column, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row. Only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. One box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing here. Alright, so need 9 here. Well. 9 could be here or there. Thinking. Well. 4 need a 4 there. 4. 6 need a 6 here. 1 need a 2 here. Nope, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 to 4. Let me mark those. Well. 7 and 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 to 4, we have 3 now in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 3. 3. 7 and 6. 6 and 4. Well, need a 9 here. Need a 4. Come on. 5. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 4. Come on. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Need a 6 there. 6. Need a 2. Need a 3. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have 2 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 must the 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those. These 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes and there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Need a 2 still there. Okay, 2. How about the 1? Need a 1 still there. I need 1 here. Okay. How about number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 8 in this column. last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only place level 8, there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Oh, wait. So you need a 9 here. Ay, 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 ay. 6 here. How about the 7 then? 7. 7 in the third row. 7 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so that column. Only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 and 7, we have a 7 now in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the 1 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright, 1 box left now in the last column, row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and 9, we have 6 now in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes in there. The 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes at there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 6 now. In the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but not 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. And I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.